Hi guys, I'm Martin Strong and I'm here today with Henry Lozano. Henry, can you tell us a little bit about what we're looking at?
Yeah, absolutely. This is our latest product offering for our highbays. The reason for it is to increase the versatility of our offering, give a little bit more of those options and features in a product offering for the highbay.
And what is this series name?
This series is going to be the ULHB, which stands for the uplight highbay.
Oh, okay, cool. So we have some accessories laid out here. This one to me looks a little bit like a lens. Can you tell us more about the lens options here?
Yeah, so for the lenses, we took two different approaches. One is the ease of switching these lenses out. So on these products, the end caps here are able to be removed right in the field without any hardware to give you access to these lenses. So you can easily swap these in the field without having to do any tools being required. And the other ones will just slide right back in. The other feature that we're providing with this is a broader breadth of lenses. So we're going to give you the general, the IO, and the diffuse. They are order specific, but you do have an option to buy it in a package. That way, if you need a few in the field, you're able to bring those out there and then install them as you need.
Sounds like it's pretty wide open for whatever they're going to need.
Absolutely.
What about these guys here?
One of the neat new features is that these are our uplight modules to help with the cave effect. And they're easy to install, no additional SKU required. This is going to be as a option on our specification to order. And what you'll do is you'll take off this cap on the product, and then you'll take these light bars and you'll snap them right in place. So no additional wiring, no additional SKUs required. And the great thing about these uplight modules is that they are 15% of whatever the rated lumen or wattage of the fixture is.
Speaking of lumen and wattage, what range do we have on this guy?
A very large range, so we want to continue offering that broad breadth of lumen output. So you have everything from 12,000 lumens up to 60,000 lumens.
That's quite a punch. I think this thing's pretty powerful.
Another great feature about that is we're also expanding the CCT selection. So now you'll get 4 CCTs. You'll get 3,000, 35, 4, and 5,000 CCT all in one fixture.
So from that bright, facility cool all the way down to that softer, warm if needed, all in one fixture. I noticed there was a little bit of movement when you pulled the lens out. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, in some applications you want a little bit more flexibility in that distribution. So you're going to be able to adjust these outwards on 3 different levels, and then lock them into place.
Lockable too. That's pretty good. So what about options?
Just as we have seen in our previous highbays, this will have very similar options available. So it's going to come with a standard 3.5 millimeter aux receptacle on the bottom of the unit. So it's ready for that plug and play sensor. You can order whatever sensor you need for your application. We're also increasing the battery backup. So in our previous generations, we had 24 watt of emergency. On this unit, you can get all the way up to 60 watts of emergency. 60 watts.
Wow. Beyond
the options, we also have a different mounting options available in this one. So it's going to come standard with the 10-foot cable, adjustable cable. You're going to also be able to order separately the pendant or surface mount brackets, so you can install it in those applications as well.
Amazing. What about certifications and rebates?
Yeah, we have standard UL listed product, damp rated. Our fixture is 170 lumens per watt, so you're going to meet that DLC premium, allowing you to maximize your rebates there.
All right, guys, reach out to your Baron Lighting rep today to get more information.